changed after these guys were arrested.
Yeah.
Any particular thought on, was this planned or any further motive?
No, I can't. There would be speculation on my part to say that, other than what he's saying kind of speaks for itself. And that, again, you'll have the exact words in the affidavit before you leave here today. Obviously, it's pretty clear he has animosity towards police officers and intended to shoot police officers. And he's owned it and afterward, during and afterwards.
And just to clarify, both these young men are going to be charged as adults?
Yeah, so this is what you call a direct file case for Mr. Rentis, even though he's a juvenile, he's a deadly weapon and attempted murder charges, so that's handled automatically. As an adult case, the defense can take a look at it and do a petition to have it returned to juvenile court. I would say it's extremely unlikely in this, given these facts, his age, and his prior context, that it would be returned. But that's an option for them to file. They can look at that themselves.
Do you know what time the arraignment has been scheduled for?
I don't, Chief.
We don't have an exact time.
Okay.
I know they are awaiting arraignment.
Two incidents like this in 2 days, do you think there's anything that needs to change in the procedures, the way police officers protect themselves?
Look, I don't think there's any doubt that the police officers have to be extra vigilant now, not just the past 2 days, but what we've seen over the past year or so, what's going on. We have constant reminders of how dangerous their job is and how much we owe them. I don't know whether, if there is some specific tactics. I'm not a police officer. I don't know whether if I knew them, what they were doing, I would even want to tell you if they're taking some extra precautions, other than I'm sure, and I'm confident, and I know that our chiefs are talking to their leaders and other people in the police industry about how they can best protect them, because ultimately they have a responsibility to make sure that that officer comes home to their spouse and family at the end of every shift.
I was wondering if the chief could talk real quick just about how the officers, A, that were involved, and B, just the rest of the department are doing today after going through something like this.
The situation last night was highly stressful. There was a definite focus on the job, the task at hand, and I think oftentimes that gets the officers through the moment. I haven't had any recent follow-ups yet this morning with the officers, but our officers are professional. They do their job to the best of their ability, and they're committed to serving and protecting this community. So they'll continue to go out there and do their jobs.
Anything else?
Well, the officers that were involved, are they on leave?
No.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.